Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bucharest International Airport. We remind you the outside temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we have reached our final parking position and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off.
Welcome to Bucharest. In this video, we will show you the most important sites in Romania's capital. We met our guide at the Ateneum, a symbol of the city and one of the most famous concert halls. This building goes back to the 1800s, the time when Bucharest was also known as the Little Paris. A few steps away sits the former royal palace with the statue of Carol, the first king of Romania. Nowadays, this is the Museum of Modern Art. The locals often refer to it as the potato, but this monument actually commemorates the Romanian Revolution. Our guide was very nice and knowledgeable. She also was understanding when the kids needed a little break from the sightseeing. While many of the buildings were beautifully restored, they were not all so lucky.
Are still allowed to live in there?
Yes, of course, it's your own risk. If you own such a property, it's really cheap to rent an apartment in a building with a rent.
This is the first Romanian bank still housed in a national monument building. The old city center is filled with bars, restaurants, food trucks, and the Romanian National Bank. Carturesti bookstore is the perfect place to shop for some original souvenirs. I'll make sure to link it down below. If after all the sightseeing you are looking for some traditional Romanian food, we recommend paying a visit to Hanului Manuk or Caru cu Bere.